Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Coinbase account and verify identity detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Coinbase account, begin by visiting the official Coinbase website. Click on the Get Started button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill out the registration form with your email address and choose a strong password. After entering your details, click on Create Account. Next, check your open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, you'll be redirected back to the Coinbase website. Log into your account using the email and password you just created. Now, it's time to secure your account with two-factor authentication. Select your preferred method for two-factor authentication, which can be either an app or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once your account is secure, navigate to the Settings section of your account. In the Settings menu, find the Identity Verification option. Click on Identity Verification to start the process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Provide accurate details as per your government-issued ID. After entering your information, you'll need to upload a valid ID document. Choose from options like a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Ensure the document photo is clear and readable before uploading. Once uploaded, click on Submit to send your verification request. Coinbase will review your identity verification, which may take a few minutes to a few days. After your identity is verified, you will receive a confirmation email. Log back into your Coinbase account to start trading and managing your cryptocurrency. If you encounter any issues during this process, consult the Coinbase Help Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.